Hello everyone, I am Shalja. How are you? I hope you will be fine. You are most welcome in my channel. Today I am going to start Sri Ramcharit Manas. वर्णानामर्थ संगानाम रसानाम छंदसामपि मंगलानाम च कर्तरो वंदे वाणी विनायको ऐर्व्रंश सरस्वती the goddess of speech and Lord Ganesha the originators of sounds represented by the alphabet of the multitudes of objects denoted by those sounds of poetic sentiments as well as of metres and the bestowers of all blessings. भवानी शंकरो वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वास रूपिणो याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्तमीश्वरम्. I greet goddess Parvati and her consort Bhagwan Shankar, embodiments of reverence and faith without whom even the adept Siddhas cannot perceive God and herein in their very heart. वंदे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शंकररूपिणं यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चंद्र सर्वत्र वन्द्यते. I make obeisance to the external preceptor in the form of Lord Shankara, who is all wisdom and resting on whose brow the consort moon, crescent moon, though crooked in shape, is universally adored. सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्यार्ण विहारणो वंदे विशुद्ध विज्ञानो कवीश्वर कपीश्वरो. I pay homage to the king of birds Valmiki and the chief of monkeys Hanuman, of pure intelligence, both of whom sport in the holy woods in the shape of glories of Sita, Shri and Shri Rama. उद्धववस्थि सहार कारिणीं क्लेश हारिणीं सर्वश्रेयकरीं सीतानतोऽहं रामवल्लभाम्. I bow to Sita, the beloved consort of Sri Rama, who is responsible for the creation, sustenance and dissolution of the universe, removes affections and begets all blessing. यन्मायावशवर्ती विश्वमखिलं ब्रह्मादिदेवासुरा यत्सत्त्वाद्मृषयो भाति सकलं रज्जो यथा हे भ्रमः यत्पादप्लवमेकमेव हि भवाम्भोधे स्थिति शावतां वन्दे अहं तं शेष कारणं परं रामाख्यम् ईशं हरिं. I adore Lord Hari, known by the name of Sri Rama, who is superior to the two and lies beyond all causes, whose Maya elusive power holds away over the entire universe, including gods from Brahma, the creator, downwards and demon, whose presence lends positive reality to the world of appearances, even as the false notion of a serpent in entertained with reference to a rope and whose feet are the only bark for those who are eager to cross the ocean of mundane existence. नाना पुराण निगमागम सम्मतं यद रामायणे निगदितं कृचितन्त्योत अपि स्वान्तः सुखाय तुलसी रघुनाथ गाथा भाषा निबंध मतिम मंजुल मातनोति for the satisfaction of his inner self. Tulsidas brings forth this very elegant composition relating the story of Sri Raghunath, which is in accord with the various Puranas, various Puranas, Vedas, and the Agamas, Tantras, and incorporates what has been recorded in the Ramayana of Valmiki and culled from some other sources. May Lord Ganesha, the leader of Shiva's retinue, whose very thought ensures success, who has the head of a beautiful elephant, who is repository of wisdom and an abode of virtues and benign qualities, shower his grace on me. May that merciful Lord, whose grace in bless the dumb to wax eloquent and a cripple, to ascend an inaccessible mountain, and who burns all the impurities of the Kali age, be moved to compassion on me. May the Lord who ever responses, may the Lord who ever reposes on the ocean of milk and who is swarthy and as a blue lotus and has eyes resembling a pair of full-blown red lotuses, take up his abode in my heart. May the crusher of Cupid, Bhagwan Shiv, whose form resembles in color the jasmine flower and the moon, who is the consort of goddess Parvati and an abode of compassion, and who is fond of affected, be gracious to me. I bow to the lotus feet of my Guru, who is an ocean of mercy and is no other than Sri Hari himself in Hanuman form, and whose words are sunbeams as in where, for disappearing the mass of darkness in the form of gross ignorance. I greet the pollen like dust of the lotus feet of my preceptor, refulgent, fragrant, and flavored with love. It is a lovely power. It is a lovely powder of the life giving herb which allies the host of all the attendant ills of mundane existence.